Hi Barbie, it's your nurse Caroline. I just wanted to let you know that we did just get the discharge order from the doctor, so you will be able to go home. How are you feeling? All right. Okay, what's your pain at now? On a scale of 0 to 10, what would you say? 0 being no pain, 10 being excruciating pain. I'm at about a 4. Okay, that's much better from when you came in here. All right, so there are a few things that I want to go over regarding your diagnosis of urolithiasis, which, as you know, are kidney stones or stones in the urinary tract. So let's go through a few things just before you leave today, and then you'll be on your way. All right, patient Barbie. So as you know, you've been diagnosed with urolithiasis, which are stones in the urinary tract. You actually had calcium stones, so your stones were made up of calcium and oxalate. You came in here today and you reported of severe pain. You had a hard time urinating. You had a fever. Your fever was 99.2, which also indicated that you did have a urinary tract infection. You complained of nausea. You said you didn't vomit, but you were nauseous. Okay, but some other symptoms of kidney stones are urinary frequency, diaphoresis, pallor, tachycardia, and hematuria. To diagnose your kidney stones, we did an x-ray and we were able to see that, yes, in fact, you had kidney stones. We could have also done a CAT scan or MRI or renal ultrasound or cystoscopy. Oh goodness, that word's hard. But that means we would have put a camera up inside the urethra so that we could, all the way up into the urinary tract, so we could see if you had kidney stones that way. But we were able to find them with an x-ray. So nursing interventions, I administered your meds, pain meds, the morphine. You also had a prescription for NSAID and then the diuretic to help flush out your system and help pass the kidney stones. So we administered the meds. We were straining the urine because we want to catch the stone, see the stone to see that you passed your stone. You've been doing great drinking your fluids. You have to increase your oral intake of fluids about 2 liters a day. So you've been drinking while you've been here, so that's been great. And you ambulated a little bit, so I want to continue to encourage you to walk, and this is also going to help speed up the process of passing the stone. We did ESWL, so pretty much that is we went in with a laser, and the laser breaking up the kidney stone, which will then help to pass the stone easier instead of passing one larger stone. The ESWL, the laser helped to break up the stone in smaller bits, and it will help you, you'll be able to pass those smaller particles of the stone easier, and it won't be as painful. So again, I continue to encourage you to monitor your urine when you go home. Your home meds, we are sending you home with an NSAID for just to help with inflammation and then pain. And then for your prevention to-do list, so you don't have, hopefully you won't get kidney stones again. I want to encourage you to drink lots of water. So I want you to drink at least 8-ounce glasses of water a day. I want to make sure that you're eating the correct amount of calcium. So not too little and not too much. 1,000 milligrams a day. Plus, I want to make sure that you are taking vitamin D, because vitamin D is going to help you absorb your calcium better. Let's make sure that we are reducing your sodium or making sure that you're staying at about 2,300 milligrams per day. And then avoid stone forming foods like beets, chocolate, spinach, tea. And since yours was a calcium stone, you want to make sure that you are not eating too much dairy or too many foods that contain calcium. All right, Barbie, do you have any questions about your discharge information? No, thank you. You've been helpful. Great. Well, it was a pleasure helping you. I hope you continue to feel better. And let us know if you have any questions.